Hey YouTube, thanks for tuning back into my channel. Today on my lunch break I ran to the metal warehouse and picked up some metal, and I'm actually going to be starting the four-wheel drive swap on Project King Dent. So I'm going to take some video clips and do a little time lapse and show you what I'm going to get into. Hi! Some of you guys are probably wondering why I'm doing it on the pavement when I have a 10,000 pound lift right beside it. Growing up, I worked on everything in the driveway, and I just feel more comfortable for some reason laying on the concrete, in the dirt, on cardboard than I do using a lift. Plus, whenever I take the front axle out of it, it's going to alter the weight, and then whenever I try to get the new axle up, it's a lot easier, since I'm by myself, to slide the new axle underneath it than try to maneuver it over in this area. And I guess I could raise and lower it, but I would have a whole lot more room over here. Those plastic caps are stuck on there. I put them on there, so I might have to get like a plastic screwdriver and pry them off. Alright, note to self. Whenever you put these lug nut caps on, I guess put some kind of grease or something on here, because this is what they look like when you have to tear them off. And there is no way that I'm getting these things off. It's like, seems like as soon as they had a little surface rust, then they just are on there. And they're even plastic, I'm surprised. So for the two-wheel drive, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to drop this as complete as I can. I'm going to take this little retainer for the spring off, undo my shock, take off my tie rod end, I'll unbolt this trailing arm, and then the bolt that is part of the wishbone, and try to drop this all as one unit. That way I don't have to take more bolts off than I actually need. Well guys, I'm tired, hot, sweaty, but the front end is out of the truck. So tomorrow is another day. I got the air hammer out, ready to chisel off some of the rivets and get those shock towers, get these brackets off, and then I can start to mount the Super Duty coil buckets and hopefully get the front axle under this thing. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.